Tell me who got the best bars.
Who got the best one? Bars.
Who got the best? Who got the best?
Let's give the hip hop a stamp. I'm about to stamp it on your head. You know this is the realest thing, cause it's Ruger fucking red. Damn right, I got this shit. I'ma stand and notating the surprising acts with flips. You see, a real man always coming in real. Damn, 100 man is like the words to seal. Damn, a real bear is like the man that pill, stretching you out when I do it. Know the raps at will. Hip hop is just my juice when I drink in the morning. Every verse that I give is like another is born. See that when I'm going, niggas going and rolling. I'm a 7-Eleven crack, know I am showing. Sister love, know what it is. Niggas said it's a suit. I'ma whip it up, it's like a nigga whipping the coupe. Believe it or not, when I kill it, niggas stretching the booth. I got the idol with the title, niggas know it's the root. I'm just done. Hip hop won.
Tell me who got the best? One. Who got it? Who got it?
My life is captivating, got that drug flow, this shit masturbation. You just spitting game to them hoes, I'm into masturbation. Thinking y'all hot, y'all niggas ain't never passing Satan. Watching y'all stall, my niggas is yawning, passing bacon. Not a chicken, but I'm always watching for a fox. No test, but if I body right, I'ma check a box. And invading my open space, I leave you with an open face. Stack of safe and slide under a bitch like I stole a baby. Banging through the speakers, rather CD or vinyl. Not leave you in the ground so long you look like spinal. I'm the one who's known for lifting up these chicken skirts. Take them to the moon and feed them dick till they burp. All these earthlings better know to come in peace. Get smacked with the Glock and leave your top with a crease. I gotta raise a claw after that when I'm a beast. My managers in the conference meeting as we speak. I leave them with a headache when they mention my name. I left a pussy sore in the ass, I'll never be the same. If I get word y'all conspiring, the fofo I make my hand glow like Iron Man. Your baby mama finding sisters know me well. I be dropping dick up in they hood like mail.
Riding shotgun with Metatron, pedal to the metal, meeting Yahweh and Halal, the broker a deal in Lebanon. We got a few things to settle on. I'm locked on my target and I promise I'm gonna make sure his head is gone. Master chef, so I turn all chicken to shish kebab. Mind blowing a demolition job. You looking for the body, but keep fishing. He got the mark, so I would keep distance. Timing is everything, I won't keep missing. Time is of the essence. I smell your fear when you in my presence. I'm scared money, so they go my leverage. They talking beef, but they more like Eckridge. Smoke sausage, but I'm O-Dog with a malt beverage. Minus all the evidence, lyrical plague, something like the pestilence. For a horseman, I'm self-made. I don't need no niggas endorsement. Numb off endorphins, I want it all. No division, so I came for every fucking portion. The doctor couldn't kill me, bitch, I survived the abortion. Learned to hustle, plus motherfucking extortion. Wasn't for grandma, I would've been a fucking orphan. Call me Oliver Twist, your muffin cat back. 4, 5, 6 on the come out pussy back. The major come up for a minor setback. Steph Curry step back, hauling all the oxygen. When I'm done, you can get your breath back. Bam.
The semi blink at ya at any fucking temperatures. Pun still alive, you witness to the new Christopher. Penicillin flow through my pen, I wrote plenty literature. These rappers come to an end if I sign my signature. My pen is sharper, authentic offer, my image darker. The mic disciple, the sniper rifle, but strip the blemish off. Hey, y'all don't practice was never needed. I keep me niggas bleeding. I don't know what you think this is. That's not life after death. You ready to die for thinking big, cause the heart stay froze. I spit cold, you die by the tightest track the frost. Gotta subtract the nigga when the math is off. Ain't no passing loss. I listen to the other rappers, you know you just the afterthought, cause you niggas know who the fucking one.
Stacks. First off, fuck a rap cipher. Wear my hair spray and big lighter, so I can burn all copycat and dick biters. No need to ask the beef, bitch, I don't like it. I got the patience of a sniper, the strength of a bison, heart of a giant, in the eye of a fucking tiger. Nah, never off beat, hands free in the Tesla. No gun, I can make a rapper run with my diamond tester. Treat every dollar like a meal, double count every bill. They tap dance on the app, buck broke as fuck still. For real, I got my feet up watching trap flicks. Notification every time when he drop new shit. Anyway, guess you can't teach an old dog new tricks. Fucking with a money hungry bitch, you never be rich. Now I never claim king though, but my queen in the drop. I ain't listen to damn one of these rappers first. I just went straight to the blank spot.
Look,
they ain't ready yet, cause they some petty cats. I could do this shit with one eye open like I was Fetty Wap. I move discreet like I was worried about a Fetty tap. Or they wearing wires, tight grip like a set of pliers. They can't deny us, it's a problem, we get violent. They say you hot, that's just your mans and them, they biased. Yeah, bunch of liars hype each other with alliance, that's cute. But they get torched in the booth once they try us. Who got the best bars? Surface level deep with your flows, but you ingest ours. My nigga, that's the best part. Far from Bruno, you know, but I'm in West Mars. Outer space flows, blue water, Turks and Caicos. I'm as real as they come, you don't mistake those. Y'all do this amateur night, they don't mistake pros. I spit fire and spit ether, that's through speakers. Pressure got them feeling cooped like a two-seater. Those who don't get the lessons, they need a new teacher. Me, I come equipped like an iPhone with the new features. Fuck you mean? Don't be surprised. Bars. Yes, sir.